To the latest news on inflation that sent Wall Street into a spin. Prices on many of the items we buy went up more than expected last month, raising fears over what the Fed may have to do next. ABC's Elizabeth Schulze is at the Federal Reserve with more this morning. Elizabeth, good morning. Inflation is red hot.
No doubt about it. Good morning, Janae. This report made very clear that inflation is still too high. The news sent the Dow, the S&P 500, and the NASDAQ tumbling to end the week as the Federal Reserve here is now under even more pressure to bring down the prices that we pay. So the Fed's preferred index for inflation rose 5.4% in January from a year ago. That was more than expected. And even when you take out rising food and energy prices, it accelerated 4.7% after cooling for several months. Now, the reason why this report is so closely watched is because it reflects American spending as they're facing these higher day-to-day costs. And it shows that consumers are resilient, buying products like cars, appliances, and TVs, even as those price tags have gone up. The problem, Janae, is that the Fed is actually trying to slow down spending. It's trying to do the opposite of that in order to cool off those high prices.
And so, Elizabeth, when they meet next month, that means they're going to have to be more aggressive.
Right. So the Federal Reserve now is likely going to have to take a more aggressive stance as it tries to tackle this stubborn inflation. So that means that if you're trying to buy a new home, pay off your credit card balance, the cost of borrowing money could get even more expensive. Mortgage rates are already ticking up. If you're trying to take out a fixed 30-year, $350,000 loan, you're going to be spending about $560 more every month now than at this time last year. The good news is that those higher interest rates mean that you could be earning more on your money in the bank, especially if you have a high-yield savings account. Whit.
All right, Elizabeth, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.